3070 gave me a good experience of competitive games. So I checked for Valorant. So it gave proper FPS, the smoothness it gives, the proper quality it gives during a competitive match is the utmost thing you want. And all respect to Assembly Line Co for managing and building these awesome PCs that they're doing. They're doing a great job here.
Hey there, this is Ankush Sahu. I currently own a rig of, not a rig exactly, a laptop of which runs on i7, 7th generation and 1060. Coming from that and now gaming on a 144Hz monitor with a 2080 Ti, I really felt the smoothness of the gameplay. And Assembly Line has given such a good opportunity to go through it, and it was actually an amazing experience. What can I say? Thank you everyone here for the experience.
Hello, I'm Amlan Kumar Acharya and I'm from Bhubaneswar, and I've come here to Assembly Line to have an experience actually playing ultra resolution games at higher frame rates. You should really check this out. First, I started with RGR2. It was a really nice experience. Aside from that, I also had lots of fun playing my favorite game, Division 2, and co-op with my whole clan. It was an amazing experience. Coming here, I got to enjoy ultra resolutions at over 144 Hz. 3070. I think I'll opt for a 3080 next time I build a new PC.